Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a passcode for parents in YouTube Kids. So instead of pressing here and it shows 6 multiplies 5 how much, your kid, if he is between 8 to 12, he can know what is the result for this. So instead of doing this, you can just press on set my own passcode, and then you need to answer this one first. And then you need to enter a 4-digit passcode that you create, for example, and then you press on submit, and then you need to confirm the passcode and submit again, and it will be changed. And then you can change passcode here, and that's it, or delete the passcode or anything. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.